Paddle hits the surface, ripples spread wide. Mist hugs the water, morning's first light. Shadows of trees in the mirror, they sway. The lake whispers secrets, I'm here to play. New bends, new turns, where does it lead? Adventures ahead, my soul's what I feed. My soul's what I feed. Taylorsville calling, I can't resist. Gliding through waters, wrapped in the mist. Larger my dreams in the depths they hide. Ripples and real smiles full of pride. Taylorsville calling, I can't resist. Gliding through waters, wrapped in the mist. Larger my dreams in the depths they hide. Ripples and real smiles full of pride. A crane takes flight, its wings cut the air. Cattails salute me like they know I'm there. Rod in my hand, hope in my chest. Casting my line, I'm chasing the best. Each cast a story, each pull a spark. I'm lost in the moment, I'm leaving my mark. I'm leaving my mark, I'm leaving my mark, I'm leaving my mark. Taylorsville calling, I can't resist. Gliding through waters, wrapped in the mist. Larger mood dreams in the depths they hide. Ripples and reels, my heart's full of pride. Taylorsville calling, I can't resist. Gliding through waters, wrapped in the mist. Larger mood dreams in the depths they hide. Ripples and reels, my heart's full of pride.
Look at that little thing. Look at that little bad boy. What you doing down there, dude? What are you doing down there? Well, we got the... We're on the board. Barely. But we are on the board. What's that about down the middle?
Yeah. Yeah. Let me tell you a story, a tale of the deep, where the water's murky and the big ones sleep. On the banks of Taylorsville, the sun starts to rise. See a lone kayak reflected in my eyes. Local hammer, that's the name they all know. No forward facing sonar, just a natural flow. Paddling in the shadows, a silent ghost, catching that largemouth, the fish he loves the most. Got a crankbait spinning, a jig in my hand, reading the water, knowing every grain of sand. Feel the bottom with my rod tip, a subtle little tick. That's the sign right there, the heart starts to quick. Local hammer, that's the name they all know. No forward facing sonar, just a natural flow. Paddling in the shadows, a silent ghost, catching that largemouth, the fish he loves the most. The other boats they row with screens and tech, but I'm old school, I'm a throwback. I'm a wreck, a good wreck, a blessed wreck. A man with a plan to catch the biggest fish in all of the land. Local hammer, that's the name they all know. No forward facing sonar, just a natural flow. Paddling in the shadows, a silent ghost, catching that largemouth, the fish he loves the most. Yeah, the bass is thumping, the kayak steady. Got a largemouth on the line, are you ready? Pulling it in, a fight for the ages. This ain't just a fish, it's the talk of the pages.
Got one. Nice one too. You don't hear me complain about his ass. I knew there had to be one over. Picked up, set down that damn blade bait, picked up this vibrating jig. Gotta make one. Got me a nice one. I don't know how much it weighs, but we're gonna get a release on him. See you, dude. Let's see if I can get myself turned around here. Kind of nice when there ain't no 40 boats coming past you, you know it? Say it again. Yeah.
Make it scratch. Beat drops a slow, heavy boom bap rhythm with a subtle watery sand. Yeah, Taylorsville Lake, sun breaking through the trees, got the yak attack ready, feeling that morning breeze. Local hammer on the water, ain't no need for fancy boat, just a paddle and a passion, that's the realest kind of float. They got their screens and they sonars looking for the fish to see. I got the feel in my life.
I got one. Not very big, but it's one. It is one. You're a big boy. Got you hooked all kinds of different ways, don't we? Little bitty guy, but he is one. See you, dude. It's number 2. I thought there might be a fish over here somewhere.
Chasing dots on the screen, trying to find a golden prize. I'm reading the water, watching for the subtle rise. Yeah, they forward facing, but I'm looking back at the past. Old school methods making every cast land. Forward facing, so nah, just the rhythm and the flow. Local knowledge, knowing exactly where to go. The feeling in the ride, tip the bending of the stick. That's the real truth, ain't no digital trick. Big bass on the hook, pulling hard and getting wild. Yeah, this is how we do it. Taylorsville's favorite child.
That's a big one, dude. It's a big old son of a bitch is what that is. Come here, Mr. Bucket Mouth. No, it isn't big. Thought it was big, but it was not. Thought he was big. He wanted to be big. Not a bad one. A little bitty guy, but you know, I'm not being picky right now. Maybe number 3. I'm not sure what he was actually on. I'm just kind of fishing this color line down through here, this mud line. Not really. Just casting like straight down it. He was just in that mud line.
Stressed and tense, trying to outsmart a fish with their $100 lens. But a bass ain't a robot, they don't follow the code. They hide in the structure, carrying a heavy load. Underneath that lily pad, behind that sunken log, that's where the monsters live, waiting in the fog. I know the currents, the bends, every dip and every rise, cause I put in the time, seen it all with my own eyes. They can't buy that experience, they can't download the lore. This ain't just a hobby, this is something more.
Got something. Got a tree. Wonder what that be? A twee.
Local knowledge, knowing exactly where to go. The feeling in the ride, tip the bending of the stick. That's the real truth, ain't no digital trick. Big bass on the hook, pulling hard and getting wild. Yeah, this is how we do it. Taylorsville's favorite child. The hammer drops down, the bass gets the blues. Feel it in, feeling good, paying my dues.
I got one. I got one. Stay down, dude. He ain't very big, but we have one. Little bitty guy. Little bitty dude. Little bitty thing. But he's number 4. He was in that dirty ass water right there. There might be a school of them over there, I don't know. Hoping so. It's about damn time that I find something that I've been looking for all day. And I happen to pass it up.
In the way, I'm just about the moment sealed by the hand of fate. The quiet of the kayak, the splash of the tail. This is my kingdom, this is my grail. Releasing the big one, watching it swim away. Seeing it live to fight again another day. Yeah, that's the real victory, the truest kind of win. Just me in the water, from the outside looking in. No forward facing sonar, just the rhythm and the flow. Local knowledge, knowing exactly where to go, the feeling in the ride.
That's a fish. That's a big old son of a bitch. That's a fish. It is a fish. And it is a bass. It's not a big one. He's barely hooked. It's probably gonna get off. Well, I got him good now. Got him good now. It felt bigger than that, but they all do. He's been caught a few times for real. We're about to get on this bank or I don't want to be. Oh, let this big girl go. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my god. I feel alongside that log if anybody's wondering. Oh, there's another one in there. I wonder if there's another one over there. Yeah, all over here in front of this log. If that's a fish, it's a monster. If that's not a fish. Damn. It's a damn cup. A solo cup. Back on the bank. That's pretty wild, dude. I seriously thought there was a fish. Swear to God, I did.
That's the real truth, ain't no digital trick. Big bass on the hook, pulling hard and getting wild. Yeah, this is how we do it. Taylorsville's favorite child. The hammer drops down, the bass gets the blues.
Oh my gosh. Way bigger. So where'd you just come out of nowhere from? We don't need that. That's for damn sure. We don't need that. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. See ya. Playing the Beastie Boys over yonder.